Hello YouTube! I'm changing my intro every day. I still can't decide on one. If you watch Popular Memos, he's cool, and also please watch Dan TDM. Please. Dan TDM is so cool. Okay, let's get started. Slot 1. What should we name it? Vote. But I'm gonna redo this in the next episodes. Sorry, but I'm just gonna call it. I'm just gonna call it YouTube. MS YouTube. No, USS. Has anybody ever watched Titanic? If you have, tell me. I might be working on something, but not. I don't know. USS YouTube. As of today, I'll be your first mate. Together we'll travel the world and make this ship that everybody wants to sail on. If you have any questions, just choose help for the system menu. First, you'll want to build some more cabins. Choose build from the menu. I know how to do this. I don't know why I did it. No, I need wood. Hello, ma'am. $5,000. Oh, in my other ship, I'll show you it in some episode. It's really cool. Okay, wait. If you see my finger, it said show touches. I didn't know what that meant, so who knows? It's only been 2 minutes. Okay, let's do what it said. Build. My episode will only be maybe like 10 minutes. Will be my max. Sorry, I need to keep checking. Make sure I don't get too far ahead. If you've seen that speed build of one of our survivals, it's gone. I kind of lost it. Sorry though. Sorry about it. This video will be quite short. I might make ads for this game, literally. I'm not kidding, I'll make ads for this game. It's so good. It's my favorite. Seriously, I only have 500. Are you kidding me? That's a lot. We are departing from Zahu. I don't know how to say that. If anybody knows how. Our first passengers have checked into their cabins. The more popular cabin, the higher in the face of evolution points. When the evolution points gets full, the crossing passengers' number of fans go up. Sorry, I'm not that good of a reader. And how much it is per month? Like my max is 25. No, about 31 people. It's kind of small, but at least I got 3 floors. I'm saving up $3,000. 13,000, I mean. I'm so sorry about this. There has been yet another entry into the coiled cruise ship industry. This time the ship's name is the USS YouTube. On its recent trip, it is departing from Zippington and visiting Zahu before running home. The eyes of the world on this new entertainment. What kind of cruise ship will they develop into? We will continue to report as we get new information. Okay. Like I said again, sorry. I just am glad I can find a screen recorder for free that actually works. My screen is messy. This game is kind of laggy. I have a big tablet. At 8 minutes, I'm gonna do something. I really like YouTube, and I've only been doing this for about a couple months. I only have 2 subscribers. No worries. That was only for crying. But I only have 2 subscribers. Please recommend this to your friends. Please. Recommend my channel. I know it isn't much, but it will develop, I promise you. Oh, I don't even know how much more I can talk. Next episode is just gonna be music. I don't think I can talk much more. Yes, cash. 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 I need cash. Cash. I need $500 in cash. No, I'm only talking on here. Tasty. What do you mean tasty? You're getting low on funds. But don't picnic. I have a little money saved up for my days fishing for tuna. You can have it. You got $1,500. I'm not even gonna spend it. I left it running for an hour and I made like $15,000 once. I'm making $15,000 an hour with 25 people on my ship. Grave floor. If I get a grand staircase up here to this area, all of this is available, all the top floor except for the blue parts. And like I said, I'm gonna have to end this video soon, so see you, YouTube! And if this gives you a headache, tell me, please. Bye bye.